In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. Before we begin, make sure you have the NordVPN app installed on your device and that you have an active account. Using a VPN can help protect your privacy and change your apparent location online, but always use it responsibly and follow local laws and the website's terms. Start by opening the NordVPN app. If this is your first time, you'll be greeted with the sign-in screen. Log in with your account details. Take a moment to ensure you're on a trusted network and avoid entering sensitive information on public Wi-Fi whenever possible. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main dashboard with a map and a list of countries. Next, connect to a server. Choose a server in the country you want to appear to be browsing from. For example, if you want websites to treat you as if you're in a specific region, select that country from the list. Closer servers usually provide faster speeds, while distant ones can add a bit of lag, so balance location with performance. After you click Connect, wait for the confirmation that you're protected. You should see a clear connected status and a new virtual location. If the connection feels slow or a page won't load, try a different server within the same country to find a better route. With your VPN connected, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the official Omegle website address carefully and double-check you're on the legitimate site before proceeding. Because some regions treat online chat services differently, you may notice occasional prompts like CAPTCHAs. That's normal and helps the site prevent automated traffic. Once the site loads, you can start chatting on Omegle. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin. If you experience random disconnections, long loading times, or trouble matching with people, refresh the page or switch to another server in the same country for a smoother connection. Keep in mind that your connection quality can depend on time of day, server load, and your own internet speed. If audio or video is part of your experience, close bandwidth-heavy apps in the background to improve stability. Finally, when you're done, simply close Omegle in your browser. Then return to the NordVPN app and disconnect if you no longer need the VPN. This helps preserve battery life and ensures your regular connection is restored. That's all you need to get started. Open NordVPN, log in, connect to your chosen country, head to the Omegle site, and begin chatting securely and confidently.